Welcome! I'm your astrophysicist guide, and this September, the universe is putting on a show right above us. From dazzling auroras to two eclipses and Saturn at its brightest, let's dive into why September 2025 is a month every stargazer will remember. First up, let's talk about one of nature's most breathtaking spectacles, the aurora. Thanks to the sun reaching its solar maximum, this September is set to deliver more intense and widespread northern and southern lights than we've seen in years. The increased solar activity means the skies will be alive with color, offering a rare treat for skywatchers across the globe. Charged solar particles from the sun slam into Earth's magnetic field, creating dazzling displays of greens, pinks, reds, and blues that ripple and dance across the night sky. It's a cosmic light show powered by our closest star. This year, auroras may reach farther south than usual. Think northern US, the UK, and similar latitudes. Even places that rarely see the lights could be in for a surprise. No need for a trip to the Arctic. Just find a dark spot away from city lights, look north, and be patient. The best displays often come late at night, so bring a warm drink and settle in. The sun's energy is painting the sky in vivid colors. Don't miss your chance to witness this natural wonder. The forecast? Absolutely spectacular. On the nights of September 7th and 8th, look up and witness a celestial event as Earth's shadow appears to take a bite out of the moon, a partial lunar eclipse. This fascinating phenomenon is a beautiful reminder of the cosmic dance happening above us, visible to anyone who takes a moment to gaze skyward. During a partial lunar eclipse, the sun, Earth, and moon line up almost perfectly, but not quite. Because of this slight misalignment, only a portion of the moon slips into our planet's shadow, creating a dramatic effect as the shadow slowly moves across the lunar surface. If you're in Europe, Africa, Asia, or Australia, you'll have the best seats for this show. The eclipse will be visible in the evening or early morning hours, making it easy for millions to step outside and enjoy the spectacle. You don't need any special equipment, just your eyes. Binoculars can enhance the view, revealing more detail on the moon's surface, but even without them, the changing shadow is easy to spot and enjoy with friends or family. It's a cosmic alignment you can watch unfold in real time, a gentle reminder of our place in the vast solar system and the regular rhythms of the universe that connect us all. For those in the Americas, the eclipse won't be visible in the sky, but you can still catch all the action online through live streams and broadcasts, joining viewers from around the world. So wherever you are, settle in and witness our world's shadow drift across our lunar neighbor, a simple, awe-inspiring event that connects us to the cosmos. The main event is finally here. On September 21st, the world will witness a breathtaking total solar eclipse, a celestial spectacle that has been eagerly anticipated for years. As the moon glides perfectly in front of the sun, it completely covers the solar disk, unveiling the sun's ethereal corona and transforming the bright day into an eerie, magical twilight. The path of totality sweeps across the vast Pacific Ocean, finally making landfall in the southern regions of New Zealand, where the experience will be truly extraordinary. For those lucky enough to be in the path, witnessing totality is an unforgettable, almost spiritual moment, one that leaves people awestruck and deeply moved. Meanwhile, in other parts of New Zealand, as well as in Australia and Antarctica, viewers will be treated to a dramatic partial eclipse, with the sun appearing as a glowing crescent in the sky. Remember, never look directly at the sun without certified solar eclipse glasses, except during the brief moments of totality, to protect your eyes from serious harm. This eclipse is more than just a scientific event. It's a rare blend of cosmic wonder and earthly adventure, drawing people outdoors to witness nature's grandest show. If you can't travel to the path of totality, don't worry. Live streams and broadcasts will let you join the global celebration and share in the excitement from anywhere. But if you're able to stand in the moon's shadow, surrounded by the awe of others, it's an experience you'll carry with you for a lifetime. Don't miss Saturn at opposition on September 16th. It's brightest and closest of the year. Look east after sunset for a steady yellow-white beacon in Aquarius. Even a small telescope reveals Saturn's iconic rings, a sight you'll never forget. With good optics, spot the Cassini division and Saturn's moons. It's the perfect time to introduce friends and family to the wonders of our solar system. Saturn's rings are a cosmic masterpiece, and this month they're on full display. Say hello to the Lord of the Rings. September's skies also bring meteor showers. The Epsilon Perseids peak around September 9th. Expect a handful of shooting stars per hour, best seen from a dark spot with your eyes, not a telescope. Each meteor is cosmic dust burning up in our atmosphere, a fleeting moment of beauty. The longer nights mean more chances for random meteors too. Skywatching is simple. Get comfortable, let your eyes adjust, and enjoy the show. Every streak is a reminder of our ever-changing solar system. That's your September sky guide: auroras, eclipses, Saturn, and shooting stars. Mark your calendar and don't miss these cosmic appointments. Share your experiences and photos in the comments. Let's build a community of skywatchers. Subscribe for more journeys through the universe. The cosmos is always performing, you just need to look up. Until next time, keep exploring and never stop looking up.